a farmer receiving real-time weather updates, our youth accessing medical care with a click. These are just glimpses of India's growing digital strength, built on 7 critical sectors: government, banking, financial services and insurance, power and energy, strategic and public enterprises, health, telecommunication, transportation, forming the backbone of our digitally secured nation. Any breach in these 7 identified critical sectors is an attack on the nation itself. So we need to outthink any of these cyber attackers. But how do we create a pool of cyber experts? NCIIPC, a unit of NTRO responsible for protecting the country's critical digital assets, is working closely with academia to achieve this mission.
Honorable Prime Minister, during his visit to NTRO on our last Foundation Day, had exhorted us to involve the youth of the country in solving the pressing challenges of the organization.
NCIIPC has teamed up with AICTE, an institution that has been instrumental in nurturing young talent of India across various technological domains. Together, they have launched the NCIIPC AICTE Pentathon 2025.
I'm glad that AICTE has joined hands with NCIIPC to organize this Pentathon, which will be showcasing the talent, creativity and dedication of our youth in tackling the formidable challenges of cybersecurity.
The inaugural edition of Pentathon saw massive participation and exposed our young talent to best global practices and innovative security approaches in the area of cybersecurity.
We get to learn about the Modbus and different challenges. I consider cybersecurity as a future, and I will obviously take part in VAPT for India.
Each challenge was unique, and we were in a stage to explore ourselves in many things, and it was really a new learning skill for us.
Pentathon is a different approach for us, and this is completely new, and we actually were exposed to this binary exploitation after this finale, and this event was extremely useful for us.
I would absolutely love the opportunity to do VAPT for India.
NCIIPC AICTE Pentathon 2025, a nationwide hunt for the brightest cybersecurity minds.